Hello, my name is Ida. Welcome to the new Mladinska oddaja. Last month, Sarah and Diana visited occupied factory rock. Let's take a look behind the barricades.
Rock has been basically an abandoned factory for the first 15 years, and for the last 10 years it was starting to being built again by the community that came here and started with their activities. So basically now in all the main buildings there's a lot of collectives working on different projects, activities, and we think it's becoming a really nice community.
Yeah, in 2006, a group of students of architecture, ethnology and other social sciences students, I think also the art students, organized an event here, an exhibition, and after the exhibition slowly the squatting started, and since then a lot of different users have established themselves here. They engage themselves in the sport activities, they engage themselves in the activism. We'll talk later about the social center rock. Also in a lot of art scene, or a lot of art projects are happening and were happening here.
I think the town of Ljubljana wants to renovate this because it's a really well, they are planning a really expensive project, and they're planning to build here a center of creative arts and creative culture, which we think that is something that is already happening here and doesn't need to be created artificially. And if they want to build this place and this new center, it's going to be a center that is based on money, and it's based on some projects that are financed by the, European Union, state, town, etc. And not everyone will be able to join the activities here and to work here.
So this place, I'm standing behind me, there is a social center rock. It's been from the very beginning very friendly space for migrants, for refugees, for groups that were actually invisible or on the edge of society, we say, groups which were discriminated both by state or by public opinion or by society. So I'm also migrant, and I felt in this space very nice. I felt accepted, I felt emancipated, and I felt somehow very useful, because people in movement, they usually accept you like you are, they don't put you some categories like, this is a victim of this and this is a special person. Yes, there is a certain accent on different types of problematics of these kind of groups, but the main method of our social center rock is to work together, to plan together, and then to accomplish together. We are quite active lately, especially when the Balkan route was established by autonomous migrant groups. Well, it was very spontaneous and very powerful, very massive. Social Center Rock started with a big campaign for refugees, welcome refugees. We made in 7 months, we made 7 demonstrations, So to find out, to feel, not only the society, but to make this voice visible, because there were a lot of, millions of refugees going from Greece to northern part of Europe. And as a space, we gathered a lot of humanitarian aid. We took them to the borders, different borders on Balkan route. And then when we stopped doing this, we found out that the Balkan route is going to be closed soon, and there were more and more people asking for asylum in Slovenia. we decided to open the space for them, to invite them, especially people from Kotnikova, which is like 5 minutes walk from Social Center Rock. It's an open camp for asylum seekers, for those who are searching or looking for international protection in Slovenia. So when we talk to them, we ask them, let's have together English classes, Farsi classes, Slovenian classes. Let's make this space common by producing special events that will bring not only refugees here, but also local people to find out who is refugee.
Now we are in this situation that our major want to, let's say, brutally throw us out from here and to change and to beautify this place and to make another sterile point in Ljubljana, like he made, I don't know, a lot of them, which are, nice and beautiful, but I think the people don't feel comfortable in them. And we actually want to stay here, to keep our place.
Most of all, they're always welcome to come here and just join the activities that we're doing here. So I think this is a nice way of integration, but also of learning from each other. So they're not only learning from us, but we're learning from them as well. For example, we also have a Farsi lessons that one of the immigrants is teaching us Farsi. So it's kind of like a connection between the immigrants and the people of the town.
Our next video is Fanny's Try to Understand Yoga. During last weekend, Fanny was also managing her roles as movie maker and groupie. Let's watch.
We quit all of our jobs, except Julian. He's still playing, but I don't know what's gonna be the next season.
I also had to quit my job because we're having this trip in the end of September, so now we're all even in a way.
We're all broke. We were thinking about one option was Fiji. and the other was never
Yeah,
there.
but yeah, Fiji was quite
It was just an
great
idea.
option.
It all started with an idea. We met a friend and he said, you should all go and play on Fiji. And then we started thinking about playing somewhere else than in Slovenia. Like very far, not all the neighbor countries. And then we found the States because they're like,
This music is still alive there.
yeah.
Fiji is kind of a last station in Europe.
But I don't know any Fiji songs. We're friends, and people like it because we're friends. People go to our concerts to see friends play, and people go to see friends hang out, and they hang out with us.
Like watching Friends, you know.
Yeah, we're like the episode of Friends.
Yeah,
And did you ever have?
I'm Phoebe. Because I have a fur coat.
Yeah,
Who are the others?
No, I'm not. I'm not Phoebe. I think
Too late, you said it.
maybe. Well,
Micha, not Joey.
Micha is Monica.
Kontradikshn is an electro-rock group based in Prismojeni. Here's Diana's video clip of the catchy song Driving in the Night, shot during their concert in May in MC Crisco. One is none. Let's see another impression of Kontradikshn concert through the lens of the volunteer Sarah. Let's enjoy this video about Henna, an African dance shot during Isola Cinema Festival.
When you put it and when it's dried off, this will fall off. Black one stays longer than this. Is what the Indians use for wedding, even the Muslims they use it.
Chebaterige 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 chebaterige
Cameroon dance. The steps like this. You just need to concentrate.
chebaterige chebaterige chebaterige
You see your thing, not your toe.
chebaterige chebaterige chebaterige
You do the same repetition on your You move your body.
Listen to the live performance shot by Olka and Pauline and song Ne Bodi Drugi.
Drugi
Thank you for watching and see you next month.